Hello, this is Evan Lewis, and welcome back to Cincinnati Museum Center's Story Tree Time. This week's story tree is this one. It's called the Queen's Giant, and it's both the tallest and oldest tree in New York City. It's also a tulip tree, which is a great type of tree. What a good tree. Just like every week, we're going to start off with a quick breathing exercise, so I need you to take a deep breath, like Kirby the video game character, and then let it go, like Elsa the movie character. Okay, one more time. Great. We're all feeling so calm. Okay, this week's story is called Rocket Says Look Up. And it's a great story about a child who is destined to become an astronaut one day. So, I hope you enjoy. Rocket Says Look Up by Nathan Bryan, illustrated by Dapo Adeola. Every night before bed, I set up my telescope and wish upon a star. Mom tells me that I never stop looking up and my head is always floating in the clouds. But she can't tell me that I look up more than my big brother, Jamal, looks down at his silly phone. Jamal says I'm called Rocket because I've got fiery breath. But Mom says it's because a famous rocket blasted off into space the day I was born. All I know is that one day I'm going to be the greatest astronaut, starcatcher, spacewalker who has ever lived, like Mae Jemison, the first African-American woman in space. Did you know? Mae Jemison went into orbit around Earth in the Space Shuttle Endeavour, even though she is afraid of heights. I'm totally prepared. I've defied gravity, captured rare and exotic life forms, and built a ship to the stars. For today's mission, I'm going to see something incredible. The Phoenix meteor shower. I want everyone to see it with me, so I've made some flyers to hand out. Jamal is going to take me to the park to see the meteor shower, but first we have to go to the supermarket. While he is looking for the milk, I will be trying to find the astronaut food. Did you know? Meteor showers happen when Earth moves through the trail of dust left by a comet. Did you know? Most meteors are smaller than a grain of sand. Did you know? Meteors are bits of dust burning up in the atmosphere? Did you know? The best time to see a meteor shower is when it's dark with no clouds? In the supermarket, when Kathy the cashier isn't looking, I grab the microphone, and everyone looks up. For one night only, come out and witness the amazing Phoenix meteor shower. Kathy takes her microphone back as I hand out my flyers to the other people in the line. I think Jamal might be a tiny bit annoyed with me. The Phoenix meteor shower will be coming soon. We'd better drop off the shopping and get to the park fast. Look out! Haha, that wouldn't have happened if you had just looked up. Now Jamal is even more annoyed with me, and he says he won't take me to the park anymore. But when we get home, Mom saves the day. Come on, Jamal, she says. Put the phone down and take your little sister to the park. Yes! I jump up and do my famous victory dance around the room. I grab my jetpack backpack, but Jamal is still glued to his game. Wait till I complete this level, Rocket, he grumbles. As we're about to leave, the doorbell rings. Wow! It's half the people from my street, and they're all holding my flyers. To the park! I yell at the top of my lungs. Everyone is so excited. My neck is aching from staring up into the night sky, but I won't stop. I can't miss it. Suddenly the park goes silent. Even the birds are holding their breath. Everyone points their telescopes and binoculars up at the sky. Everyone but Jamal, who is still looking down at his phone. I think I see it, I shout. But it's just a plane flying overhead. Everyone moans and groans. We wait and wait and wait. One by one, people start to leave. Maybe the Phoenix meteor shower was a myth after all. Maybe that's why Jamal didn't want to come along. Maybe everyone is upset with me for wasting their time. I've never, ever felt this sad before. Jamal looks at me for the first time today. It feels like the first time ever. I've turned my phone off, sis, he says. I'm sorry for making you wait for nothing, Jamal. Let's go home. Suddenly, there's a big bright light in the sky. Look up! The Phoenix meteor shower. I'm speechless, Jamal says. He pulls out his thermos and pours me a cup of hot chocolate. Yummy. We both sit down on the hill, watching meteors zoom across the sky. I'm so happy we looked up and saw them together. Did you know, one day I'm going to have a meteor shower named after me? The end. Wasn't that a good story? I love how Rocket's passion for astronomy and astronauts and space really just wins over basically everyone she meets, and I think we should all aspire to be like Rocket. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this, tune in next Wednesday for another episode of Story Tree Time, and I hope to see you then. Bye! For more videos and activities, make sure you visit our website, cincymuseum.org, and follow us on social media. Cincinnati Museum Center is a non-profit organization which relies on ticket sale revenue to continue to operate, which is not currently an option for us. If you are in a position to donate, click the link in the description below and know that all of us at CMC are incredibly grateful for your support.